Okay, so what kind of situation do we have at the moment from a monthly perspective on Euro NZD? We have a market that clearly has broken above a very strong monthly resistance level. So a very important structure level that was resistance here, again resistance here, resistance again here, and all this resistance is now turned support at this area. So from the monthly, we know that at the moment we just approached a strong monthly structure support level and the market has already rejected it a little bit to the upside. If we go and see what we have from a weekly perspective, what kind of situation we have. Now on the weekly, the pattern is even more clear. We have a market that created a clear overextended W formation. After an overextended W formation, what do you expect? You expect the market to reach at least the first support level, which is this previous resistance, now turn support, the start of the W formation. You want to see the market at least go and test that level. And in fact, as you all know, the market went exactly to test the previous resistance, now turn support, the start of this overextended W formation to complete the pattern, and obviously has found support with the strong rejection from a weekly perspective to the upside. Now, if we go and see what we have on the daily. On the daily time frame, everything seems extremely straightforward because we can immediately identify which structure level the market has to break back to the upside before we can even start considering possible longs from a Euro NZD perspective. Until the market will remain below this previous support, now to resistance on the daily, obviously it makes no sense to be looking for longs. Why? Because the market is below daily resistance, but at the same time above weekly support. So on the weekly, you are above support, but on the daily, you are basically below resistance. So what does it mean? It means that the market is currently trapped in between resistance and the support that we have on the weekly. But things might change in the future. Let's see how we can be looking for a possible opportunity. But first, let's take a quick check at what we have from a COT perspective on Euro NZD. So what hedge funds are doing at the moment on the Euro and what hedge funds are doing at the moment on the NZD to see what kind of situation we have. Now let's start from a Euro point of view. What we have on the Euro. Now on the Euro, we can see that lately what happened. If you look at the long term, we have net positions that shifted from minus 114k to all the way to up to 72k, meaning that we went from having shorts greatly outweighing longs to having longs greatly outweighing shorts. Therefore, in the long term, we can expect Euro bullishness. In fact, we have at the moment 167k long positions from a hedge fund perspective. So big speculators are overall long at the moment on the Euro, and they have only 95k short positions. But keep in mind, lately with the last reports, they have been increasing them. That is why, going back to our chart, we still need to see the price basically break back above the daily structure. If during next week or during this week, we will see the price from a daily perspective break back above the structure, then after the break on the retest of the level, what we will be doing with students, we will be monitoring price action from a 4-hour perspective inside of this area, waiting for the market to provide to us one of our valid entries. And as soon as the market will provide to us one of our valid entries, we will be taking a nice long with a very good risk to reward and good probabilities for a nice move to the upside. But until the market will remain in between this weekly support that we have here and daily resistance that we have here, so basically trapped inside of this range, we are not looking for any opportunities on Euro NZD. Now, if you enjoyed this free analysis and education, make sure you drop a like and a comment. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, and I will see you in the next video.